Auto leveling has two methods. First, find an unknown ground level by subtracting. Second, mark a drawing level by finding your target staff reading and marking it on site. In today's video, you will learn the complete process of leveling. We will start from the very beginning. Please make sure to like the channel and the page.
Open the tripod stand to chest height and set the legs firmly on the ground. The tripod stand is completely ready.
Carefully remove the auto level from its box and fix it onto the tripod. Always hold the instrument by its base and make sure not to over-tighten the screw.
Rotate the screws together. The bubble follows your left thumb. Center it with the third screw. After setting the auto level on site, we work in two main ways. The first task is to find the current level of any, and the second important task is to mark the level according to the site requirements. Let's start with our first method. Hold the staff perfectly straight on the benchmark. Use the focusing screw to make the numbers clear. It must be vertical to avoid errors. Now, note down the first reading. First, we will determine the height of the instrument and take a backside reading at the BM point. Let's calculate the height of instrument. Add the backside reading to the benchmark value, so 100 plus 1.25 gives us an HI of 101.25. That is, finding the current level of an unknown spot. For this task, we have set our auto level instrument perfectly and our instrument is now ready for work. You can see this site behind me. This ground is quite uneven. In civil engineering and surveying language, these readings are called NGL, EGL, or NSL. Remember, these are all different names for the same thing. The first reading is 1.450 and the second reading 2.5. Similarly, to the site requirements, you can find new levels on a road, a building and a roof. The method is exactly the same for all. Now we are taking readings by placing the staff on the intermediate sections of this uneven ground. In surveying, these are called intermediate sites or IS.
Similarly, depending on your site requirements, you can find new levels by moving to a road, a building floor, or even a roof. The method is exactly the same for everything. Just place the staff on the correct spot. Now you can see the full view of our field book on the screen. We have an HI of 1001.25. Now we will keep subtracting all the readings from this and we will get the RL. If you want to check the level of any point, subtract the staff reading from the height of instrument. This will give you the new reduced level for that specific point.
Now I will tell you the second method of leveling. This is for marking a new level on site. The RL from the drawing has to be shifted onto the ground or a structural element using the auto level.
To mark drawing level, use this formula. Height of instrument minus required RL, and required level is 99.55. Subtract them for just find exactly 1.75 on the staff.
Our HI is already present. Now let's look at the required RL from the drawing and subtract the required RL from the HI. We will get our target staff reading.
Look through the telescope and guide them. Use hand signals. Move the staff until the crosshair hits 1.75. Mark it with paint at the bottom. This mark represents your level of 99.50.